This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carla %20 Walker. Bellhaven Plan in Greenhaven at Hillpoint by Wetherington Homes. Flexible floor plan incorporated gorgeous designer details. Plenty of space for today's living. Beautiful kitchen has butler's pantry and big dining island. Spacious dining room. Great room overlooks backyard. Convenient first floor guest room west/full bath. Upstairs, entertainment loft, primary suite west/oversized closet. Ensuite has tub and shower. LVP flooring downstairs. Choose design finishes to fit your style. Other plans avail, including Homes west/1 st floor primary bedroom. To be built, ask about Avail Quick Close Homes and current incentives. December 16, 2025 for more information.